guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a little while since I have filmed. As I've always said, like every time I film, I've been super busy with work and you know, life happens. But anywho, I have not posted a video for almost a month now, and I thought I should share with you guys my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that came in the mail just a couple days ago. And yeah, I wanted to share with you guys what I got. So when you open it up this month, this is the bag. I think it's pretty cute for the month of October. And the three items, from what I can remember, they pick two, and then you get to pick, or they show you the two they picked, and then you get to pick the other three. So the first item they picked out for me is this Tarte Shape Tape Setting Powder. It's in the shade Translucent. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. I have never tried out any of the Tarte like powders or anything like that, so that's what it looks like on the inside. You get a mirror, you get a little powder puff, and then the little filter is right there. I'm excited to try this out because I use a lot of powder. And then the second item that they picked out for me is this little eyeshadow palette. It's by Crafty Beauty. And this is, I'm not sure which one this one is called, like the name of the palette, but it has a little sun on the front. They're like very warm toned. You got like a gold and a green, and then like some warm shadows there. Then those are the two items they picked out for me, and then I picked out the next three. The first one being this lip gloss from Lady Gaga's brand called Haus Laboratories. It's in the shade Chaser, and here's what the packaging looks like, and the shade is kind of like a rusty color. So there's what the shade is. It's really pretty. And then the next item I picked out is this Purely's Matcha Green Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I have this same exact thing, but it's a mask, and it's really nice. And this is a really good size, like, tube. And it just, I put some on this morning, and it just felt very lightweight. It's not a heavy formula, and it had a light like green tea smell, but that's what the packaging looks like. It's really nice. I think I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm not sure how it will do for my oily skin under makeup, but I'm willing to try it out. And then the third thing that I chose for my bag is this Dr. Lip Superfood Tents. And basically it's a 100% natural ingredients. They're like lip balms. You get three different like colors: sweet potato, elderberry, and red radish. So I think it was pretty cool that you got three. So that's what the front of the packaging looks like. And then here are the three little lip, I guess they're like lip masks or lip balms. But the weird thing is it says on the front that you can use this. It says lip, cheek, and eyelids. So I don't know if it's meaning that you can use this on, like, yeah, it says it's multi-use balms. Like, I would never put this greasy formula on my eyelids or my cheeks. Like, that would be gross. But I think for the lips, it'll be great. Okay, moving on to few add-ons. I got this brush, was in the $3 add-on section. It's one of the SL Miss Glam brushes, and it's like a nice like green, I don't know what color you call this, but it's a really pretty green color. And then I got this little mini Lottie London lipstick. It's a really pretty color. I'll go ahead and swatch it over here too. It's just a really pretty nude color. And it's a matte liquid lipstick, so hopefully this will last on the lips. And then the last couple things I got, I'm actually really excited about these. These were both in the $3 section. So it's by the brand Illuminati, and they're little quad eyeshadows. And I just think these colors were so pretty. And for $3 a piece, I was just like, yes, I need to try this out. So I decided to get them both. But let me just do a couple swatches to show you guys like how good these palettes are, like how good they are for $3. So here are some swatches of the eyeshadows. I turned down my lighting just a little bit so you can see them better, but like these all swatched really good. I'm just very impressed with all these shadows. I am so excited to try these out, and yeah, that is going to be everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of October. I'm just getting back into filming, so I don't know if I'll be doing like using any of these products to get ready with me, but I think I should. But life is crazy busy. I'm working a lot of hours. Anywho, please let me know if you have any video ideas. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear y'all's ideas, and I hope you all are enjoying this nice fall weather. I know I am, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.